Hello, hello Sudha ma'am. This is oil pastel, and now first I'm just making a face. This is a rough sketch. This is the oval shape. You have to make like that first, like that, and then you have to divide. Okay, this is the center point. This is okay, like that. You have to make the eyes and then nose, and here's the this is the one more. Okay, this is the lip, and now you have to divide like that. Okay. Okay, like that you have to divide. Okay, see, the pattern is this is the correct pattern. First you have to make a oval shape, and then again a circle, then you have to divide this lines to do. We fine art student, like that we are making the same pattern which I am trying to explain here. Now I just want to divide here. This is going to be a downward. Okay, and now I just want to see, like that we are making. This is the pattern which we are using. Okay, this is the pattern. This pattern I already explained many times, where the eyes, where the nose, where the lips, where the chin is there. Okay, and in this two we have to put the ear. Okay, like that, and this is kind of the hairs and all that. Okay, this is called the rapid sketch. For the quick sketch we are using this type of the sketches. Okay, but now I'm making a full face. Okay, for here I have made this big oval shape. Okay, now this is the, because I just want this semi face, so like that you have to, and this is kind of the eyes mark, and this is the nose cut off. Okay, this is a lips, and this is a chin. So from here we have to cut. Okay, now hello Kanak. So this is now, I'm just making a face. See, like that. whatever the others, yeah, extra lines, we have to remove it. Okay. See this. Like that. Okay, each and every part we have to make it very patiently and very neatly. First you have to make a sketch, and after that see, give the perfect shape on it. Now this is, I'm gonna make a lip, so like that. This is the lips. Okay, and here this is the one of the part. So from here for the differences of the two eyes, always should you have to one more line you have to give it, because I just want that a perfect shape of the eyes. Like that. This is, I'm gonna make a open eyes on it, a semi open eyes. Okay, like that. This is large eyes. Okay, where I can put the eyeballs. Here also. This is a wrinkle upper part, and now this should be a sharp, I just want like that. Okay, and this should be like that. I always said that the ear should be between these two parts, that means eye and that nose cut. Okay, this is the eyes and nose cut is there, so I just want to put the ears is there. Okay, now this should be like that. The head part, and this is the hairs. And now from here, because the face slide down. Okay, may I zoom it? Now it is clear? See, okay? And here's some, oh God. Now it's okay? Okay? So now, see, I'm giving the detailing work on it. See, this is the twisting hairs, which I am going to be making the hairs. Okay, this is the twisting hairs, and now this kind of chain like that. Okay, so from here so now whatever the extra part I'm removing, because I don't want to this is the lip cut off. You remember it, all the cut parts you always remember. Okay, this is the chin part and this is the lips, so we don't need this. So I'm rubbing all the parts, extra lines and all that. Okay, let's remove. And I just want the chin should be curved, because this is a lady or female face we are making here. Okay, please watch this and give me 2 minutes. I'm coming back. ऊपर में रख दे सीता है पिंकी। हाँ कहाँ जाओगे उधर? उधर नहीं जाएंगे बेटा। I'm coming back. This is I'm gonna make this type of the lotus and all the designs are there. Okay. This kind of the jura and all that. Okay. Okay, so now we have to start the coloring part with the oil pastel. So I have the oil pastel colors. We have to start lighter shade. Thank you, Kirti ma'am. Now we have to start the lighter shade. Okay, please observe the colors and the shading. Okay, because every time it's not possible, then I'm now it's clear. Okay. Okay, so I'm starting from here, the lighter shade. Always remember where the focus is coming. So in this phase, the focus is coming from here. So if the focus is coming from here, that means this should be a highlight part. Is this is the highlight part. This one, this cheek, and this the nose part, and here this the chin. These are the highlight part where we are not filling the colors, only we have to leave the white. Always remember the focus is coming from here. So if the focus is coming from here, so the highlight, that means the lighter shade is this points. Okay, now so may I rub this? Okay, always remember on your mind where the focus is coming, where we have to put the colors darker and lighter. So this is on your all the industry. Okay, see here I'm starting with my colors. This is my lighter tone of the skin. This is the flash tint, and I just want to erase some of the parts because it should coming the blacker. So with the, when you are using the oil pastel now, always remember your sketch should be very light. See, I'm erasing my, because this is the dark. Okay, now this is the yellow. I just want to use the yellow, and orange. If you forget the colors, please watch it again, this video. This is a recording. Okay, this is the recording session, so please watch it again and make it. Okay, this is I'm using the brown shade because here the light darker part of this face. light. There should be a light, dark, light, like that. This is a yellow ochre. Yeah, light brown, sorry, not a yellow ochre, this is a light brown. And this is the yellow ochre. The yellow again. I'm changing the color in front of you, so please okay. Should be a lighter part, as I told you. So whatever they are highlight, okay. Very neatly you have to fill the colors, okay. So for here I'm gonna use my red color. extra dark brown for the nose part here, downside of the eyes, okay. Now I am mixing with my earbud. The proper mixing, okay. Sometime if you want to use your finger, that you have to use it. There is no problem. Okay. See the color reflections. Okay. Good evening, Kushi. Now for the all everywhere, I just want to mix the colors. So for that, I'm gonna use my white color for here. I'm gonna teach you here a very easy trick, and it is a new trick of the oil pastel. When we want to do the detailing work, it's a very difficult to do detailing work with the oil pastel. For that time, we can use our pencil. Yes, I'm correct. This is for the mixing proper way, and the properly it should come. So I'm gonna use my pencil colors for the detailing work. This type of the things you have to do that time when we want the detailing work and the detailing is not coming properly. That time you have to use this type of the things. Okay. Now I just want to sharpen my pencil.